Okay, it's Father's Day weekend, so what better way to celebrate it than to go look at cool cars? Because dudes like that, especially my husband. So let's go see if we can find a cool car. Great to see people out and about again.
What are you doing here?
So lovely. Excellent. I've already lost my family though. So these fine gentlemen are going to be restoring this beautiful, beautiful thing.
Get a medal and you will get a.
And I just got a pin. So we got to keep history alive. I don't know cars, but I'm going to show you these because I know Ford. Sweet. Okay. We got to pick our favorite one. No, not. Thing on the Corvette. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Oh, that's a Nova. Huh. Let's see, which one? Oh, look at this beauty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yes. I'm a fan of the older trucks for some reason. Have no idea why. And no practical reason. Just like them. And see that one right there? That one? We're going to go take a look at that because it is beautiful. Ooh. Look at that. It's like you want to get in and just go. This would make our road trips much better. We can go faster. I know where we can drive and not get tickets. Look at that. That is cute. Look at that color. Ooh.
Dick was in Vietnam in 3/4, but he was in the military. He came out.
Oh, that's my favorite. I don't know why. Like I said, I got the thing for these old trucks. Oh my gosh, the old safety seats, super safe. I just love them. I don't know why, I just do. Okay, this is cool. Look at that. Outlaw. Heck yeah. Love it. Ooh. Jessica would love this one because of the paint job.
Yeah, she would. Huh?
She would. She would totally love it. She was talking about this. She's been working on. She redid her. It looked really good. But look at that. That is Jessica. You would love this car. She probably won't even watch this video, but I'll send her a clip of this one.